come home, climb into bed, and start beginning again.
Oh, Mom, guess what? Maxwell and I decided that we're going to try and make a baby right away. Oh,